you come out and say I'm a PNP,
If you
brother. No.
brother, it's evidence, brother. It's evidence.
Listen what I say to you.
Evident.
Listen what I say to you. More name one PNP blogger will come out and say in neutral I'm a PNP and turn him program in a PNP blogging program. Tell me one. I can't tell you
really?
4. Well, no, man, I can't tell you 4.
Really?
No, man, we still accommodate to everything you and talk to him. We really don't know.
Foolishness, man. Man, top foolishness, man.
Paka, listen, I can't tell you about one when me have experience with. I can't tell you about 3
really?
more.
Brother.
One is sports. One is sports. Party and sports, and me build the platform. Me. Ask him, me build it. Me and him, I be the
go easy, man. Go easy, man. Ask Caution who bring politics and sport.
And me bring
you know when you're there. You know when you're politics and sport.
Ask man, Paka, before you
listen me, man.
Paka. So ask the man when you see him. Sometimes I mean him alone there. When man does
listen me, brother. Listen me, bro G. Listen me, bro G, man. Ask Caution.
Man. Not this page, you know, my first page, brother.
We know, brother. Come on, man. I'm here talking now. We know each other.
Me know Paka. Me say Paka more time. Me ask the man.
Listen me.
The man him talk it. Then can't diss me. The man say can't diss me.
No, man.
Him talk it.
When they come out to PNP, you was there. You was there, you know. But by the end of the day, listen me, I say, J. Brian was there, and Caution was there, and me was there.
Brother, I say, the man talk everything. He not block me, he not mute me because days upon days I made him alone.
Politics and sports trick the whole crowd, man.
All
politics
right.
and short sports, say, man, neutral, man. Right now, politics and sports are black straight.
In trick me. I mean, every day, man. I tap up on a back and people, I mean, the popular and people to come. I can't believe it.
Right now, reading the life. Right now, I'm reading that talk about politics. Yo.
No, because it's too personal.
Religion too.
Oh, yeah. Vegas.
Religion, yeah.
Politics and sports. Who else come out? I have 2 other people come out.
Our front line, I'll go for religion too, you know.
You feel so?
Yeah, man, front line, I'll go for religion too, man.
Wow. No, but hear me I say. No, Pastor. What me I say to you about it? I'm Pastor. No, boy, man. No, boy.
May I give you 1 month in this after today.
Mm-hmm.
1 month after this, I see if man in a dry out. Listen me.
Yeah, Paka, me I show you something. Me not cut you. You know why they can't number one can't jam me out? I mean I tell you the truth. And I no disrespect to no man. Here why nobody can jam me out. Then you have to understand this in my boss. You have to know in everything what you do. Remember, you know, me don't know in politics and that from day one, you know. That's why when you see me said so bapping a Paka, even you Paka, me like your vibe so much, right? Remember, I me take you down and I said, the man never jam me up. I said, nobody not jam me up. Me put you back up, because me a reason, because me like your vibes. Me ask you call out your name. Because me rate how you deal with the thing. Because here what Paka, here what the man them, here why they not jam me out. Me not put no personal feelings in it. And that's of me think that. So when Paka I go at anybody on the panel, me like here when somebody else I go at Paka. Because Paka, every time you talk to me, me not sit down and listen to you. Me not cut you. Me not mute. That's why make you think me not have no moderator like that. Because me not want nobody to take. Me want to listen to everybody. When Mr. Vegas and Caution I go at it, me I listen to it 2 dog them. The 400 people over here could have tell you no. And no man get when Mr. Vegas I say, yo, who's? And when Caution I say same thing. Where? No, but you mad Paka. Me not have a feeling.
But you must say more you put into consider it. It's when I see certain man I get too vile, brother. You just drop him a tell for breeze off. You see me I say?
All right, Paka. So me not do that, man. All right. So Dr. Omar there. The last time Dr. Omar pull a thing, what me do? Me not drop him.
Yeah, man. Paka him drop them, man. Him drop them.
Paka, me not. Paka,
remember, say him won them before, you know.
Paka.
So him drop them, Paka, man. Him drop them.
to Dr. Omar, then me drop him where the, me no remember when do, and me drop him.
But you may say, you say.
So when you
You
say,
may say,
John,
you may
no,
say.
man, I'm mad
You
fucker.
may say, big one thing. Let me say, I work me there, right?
I want me there
And this
too.
man fi say, you see,
You know why
Mr.
you ask
Cole.
your question before you leave, Steve? You know why you go? You ask your question.
See one next, look for PNP. Me blood clock PNP. Almighty
Paka,
God.
calm yourself.
Handsmith.
Paka, calm yourself.
We're not talking no politics, you know. We're not talking no
Calm
politics.
yourself. Respect, General. But calm yourself. Paka.
We're not talking no politics.
No,
yeah,
me not.
Hey,
I want to set to Paka.
I said to set me up. Come on, I said to set me up to rascal. I said to set me up. Almighty God. Watch out.
Me not talking no politics.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Me pussy.
Paka, listen to me, you know. What me you come on and the first thing me you say. He was allowed them filter things and not fact check them. Boy, question me I go ask you, Paka. When have you present an argument and bring facts?
Only for time, man.
What kind of facts you bring? Like say
Ask
somebody
us,
tell you actually
ask us, man. Ask us.
You know what I say?
You
say every time. When you say over time, that means that you have
Listen
time
me,
to come in and carry the facts.
we talk foolishness, brother.
Where's
You
it,
just a
Paka?
come around, man. Sit small.
Paka.
Sit small, man. You just a come around, man. Relax, man.
No, me you know. More so have a conversation you can say to you. Pick pan and link to me pussy walk. And you can follow.
Brother.
Just like how this, well, I know Paka. Just like how you can send the host go watch it. A certain content. Well, I know Paka, man. Paka, well, I know. Just like how you can send the host go watch a certain content. And then the host I expect say a certain type of conversation will go on. I'm not going with conversation there. Don't waste man, whatever time you use to go watch it, can not say no one watch it, no one know about it. One waste in time at that time, you go get the knowledge, you say, all right, you know, so way, you man say, so you go, or so you go. Where is the conversation that should have held at that time?
Host, I want next PNP this then out, you know.
Next one that.
I want next one this then buy out, you know.
Well, I know. The argument that we make is a fear or bias argument.
I want next one this.
Let's say it's not bias because number one is not choose the side, mama. Him not choose the side, so not bias, yeah?
Just ask him more. Ask him more.
Paka.
No.
Paka.
Ask him.
Me go tell you.
Him not even
Hold on,
from
man.
Jamaica.
Hold on, man. Hey, me not talk to you no more. Hold on, man. Me ask you something, man. Ask him if my liberator PNP.
Y'all labor at our PNP.
Never vote. And I can show you a message me get from the officer Prime Minister.
What? You may say. He said if you never follow him now, I'll check him out.
Paka, well I know.
If you never follow him,
Paka.
follow him now, I'll check him out.
Well I know, Paka. Nothing when me say. But no, me no use allege. Go look on the source now. Nothing me say about the Prime Minister and nobody. Me no use allege. Well I know, Paka. Me have 7 friends working in the office of the Prime Minister. That's how close to the Prime Minister and him know me.
Paka.
No.
Paka.
You think he easy?
Paka.
I'm not PNP, madam.
Paka.
You think he easy? You go long.
Paka.
I'm here certify you.
Paka.
Yo.
I want to see a showdown between 4 and 4 though. I want to see it.
Paka,
you know, Paka, me I tell you
Let me
something.
see Viegi. Me ask him because
Send come call me.
Is a man we can't, is a man, we shouldn't come out to disrespect, brother. Is a man we can't go too far, you know. We just chat him a bag of fuck and just jump off.
Paka.
You see me?
Paka, but talk the truth. Me not control it, Paka.
Yeah, man.
All right.
Yeah, man. And that's why the dog did want come over. But I don't know what last night. The dog then go up and quit the live last night and get John out.
Thank you.
Is it?
Running.
But hear me, me G, right?
Yeah.
You see this politics thing. You can't get tax stick, brother. You can't reach a way till you reach your doorstep. You see me, I say. You see we as bloggers, brother. We not get no pay feet.
Yeah.
You see me, I say. So if you go come on live and disrespect people, if some politician, brother, it really don't make no sense. You see me, I say. You see me, I come on public platform, brother, and I tell lie to some politician, brother. it don't make no sense at all, brother. You see it?
Yeah.
So does that mean because you see Cole have a tendency, you know, brother. Forget disrespect in some manner where him can't control himself, you know. You see me? And being as though him is a big man, brother. You see me? I say people will step to him, brother, because on sometimes people look at big man and say, oh, because a big man, brother, you go overlook certain things. You see me? I say people will shut their ear upon Cole.
Terry, big up yourself.
You see me? I say people will shut their ear upon Cole, brother, and do them for the brother. So Cole for easy himself, man. Cole for easy himself.
Plaka.
A Packer, man. P-A-C-K-A, man. A Packer. P-A-C-K-A.
I want it me up. Remember.
I don't say a list tongue, man.
No matter what me have. High time now, Peter. Remember that me the pan KD live and we are discuss politics. And you tell me we got talk to me, mama. You first do it. Don't come and play the victim game, Packer. You are the first one to look for me and tell me what to go to my mama.
Allah ya tell man. He said me disrespect your Cole. He said me disrespect you. He has to Cole. He said me disrespect you. You pass the line.
All right. What can you say my generality? And the biggest labor.
If me disrespect your Cole. He said me disrespect your Cole. You pass the line.
And you apologize. And before this show end, you do the same thing.
Cole, let me see again.
You came on and say you're sorry.
Let me see again.
Paka, when you check the host and I tell you host about F in by a month, people step to him. Stop it. Not tell about Clarendon Paka.
No,
hold on.
You see. Host.
I run for somebody take it different. Paka.
Host, so somebody take it differently.
Paka. I run for court for the Bellevue.
I'm not talking to you yet. I'm not talking to you yet. I'm not talking to you yet, man.
No, I need a task. Yes. What?
I'm not talking to you.
I want this in, man. We don't want this in.
No, we're not talking to you, man. We're not talking to you, man. Watch this. Watch this. When time me tell you, the reason why me tell you, right? Only thing me tell you, the reason why me say what me say.
I mute my mic. I expect the same. And I will not heal.
Well, I'm not doctor. Well, I'm Paka, explain what you said to me.
The reason why earlier
well, I'm not doctor, man. We're not upon a time clock. I am the man argue with us. They are all
the reason why me say what me say, right, is because we are reason about a particular thing. When we say why, how much youth come on this live and say them neutral and them not neutral. Me said to you, so watch ya. PNP man, them always try to draw out people. Me I give you by no, and next month, I see if they don't draw you out. See Cola come twist it.
I know that you said.
Me I tell you about it, brother.
Politics with the politics. No. Right?
You understand?
You say we are the politics reach now.
Well, on the
people should reach at your door. People. Anyhow, Paka, let me make this clear to you. Go and look for open discussion. I say open discussion. Me hear you say cool and one simple man. Go and ask him why he said that, Paka. You hear? When you go to Florida and ask about Dada, and then you come back and talk. You hear?
Who is Dada? Is Dada Mr. Cole? You don't call Dada?
No, me never tell him who he is. Maybe I make you know.
A Travis here.
Anytime you go Clarendon, ask about Marcus. They related to Marcus.
All right.
Ask them who named Marcus.
It's my general.
Ask them who named Marcus. Ask them who named Marcus. Anytime you go Clarendon, ask Marcus. Anytime you go Clarendon, ask Marcus. Anytime you go Clarendon, ask Marcus.
Read my lips, Paka.
You don't know lips, man.
Read my lips. Paka, read the lips.
You don't know lips, man.
No angel.
What's up, man? Paka.
You know no lips, man. You know no lips.
Yeah, man, I
man.
keep no have me. Me have no have
You know no
me.
lips, man. You know no lips, man. Everything in the court, man. You know no lips, man.
No,
Listen, man. Listen, man.
in time politics.
You know.
That look up
Listen, man.
back to backside.
Listen, man. Your brain in a run back, brother. Your brain last in a run back.
No, yes, to the matter.
Your brain last in a run back, brother.
You must know.
Paka.
You look like you're not my man.
Paka. Well on the Richard. Well on the Richard.
Yeah, I'm bad like you're not my guy, brother.
Paka.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
You want to know. You want to know. The more 4 labor right.
He must send pay, but he send member send pay.
Hot spice. Milk your mind. Hot spice. Mr. Vegas passed through last night and said, I come back, you know. I don't know how I go on.
Yeah.
But when I said to you, I want to see debate one another, 4 PNP, 4 labor rights. I can have labor right PNP, labor right PNP, labor right PNP till the box full up. That means it's a pass and one to the next one. And
yeah, man, that it's possible, man. It's possible.
And then watch,
and the thing is, you know, me no want, it's when you tell a man to stick a pin. You see me, I say, it's a reason you tell a man to stick a pin, because by the end of the day, brother, you tell a man to look here, show me your evidence. And the man goes, roops, and draw off your evidence. You see me, I say, I just want to read.
Now watch ya. Me plan out good last night, you know, because I tell you, me plan out good, you know. Because I tell every man, say, yo, make sure you have no pen and paper. So if Packer says sitting where you want to address Packer, when your 4 minutes come, you have to deal with Packer in your 4 minutes and Packer have to take it. And when Packer deal with you, you're supposed to take it.
Because let me ask you a question. You're born Jamaican, right?
Yeah, I'm born Jamaican, my boss.
Have you ever been accused yet before?
No.
You ever know anyone have been accused close to you?
No.
All right. So that simply means that you're not a victim, and you don't know anyone who affected by accusing.
When I mean accused, what kind of accuse you mean?
Say for instance, rape, thief.
No.
How it is if someone accuse you of those type of things? How you would have feel?
I don't feel good about it.
You don't feel good about it, right?
No, because
worse if you have kids. Worse if you have kids.
Yeah, because lie, you tell for me.
You see me, I say? But the thing is, you know, brother, it's because of politics. You see me, I say? And when you're a public figure, brother, you see me, I say, there's certain measure you cannot deal with like a real civilian when it comes out to ordinary people. You see me, I say?
But Packer, watch ya. That's why I tell the man them say, no. Here we go on. Remember, no, Packer. You can't use fire out fire, you know. So watch the.
I will
answer something. Let me there we want something. Packer. What I'm saying, Packer. You know, say my generality are one of the biggest liberator I'm making. I mean, my general. I not call the name, but it's a toll gate. You know, say toll gate, you know me attack. Packer.
Richard, that's not necessary.
Well, I know.
All right, Mr. Wood.
Well, I know, call man. Well, I know. So me I say, man can be Labour, man can be PNP, and animosity with the one brother. We have to fight.
So no, they say the man. No, they say supposed to be.
Me have general. Me I say sharp man. Me a sharp man is sit down and chat. Me a sharp man is sit down and chat. You know, me a sharp man, their friend. I mean, me a big PNP for a long time. Here, a big comment. I'm gonna hide it. But still a friend of Labour. So man can talk on a different brother, but you have to reach the certain thing. Me tell you that you have to reach a certain place, brother. You have to reach something.
That's the farm. Yeah, my boss.
Permission, please. Nobody
I know you
accused the Prime Minister has been thief. The Prime Minister did not prove to the Integrity Commission where him getting money from. The Integrity Commission launched, it is the duty of the Integrity Commission. And go and read the Integrity. You don't have to read it with yourself, you know. We are at an age.
Course,
where you can
ask man,
download
if
it on your-
ask man,
brother,
if
you
it is
don't have to
if
call that, me
ask
not
course,
talk.
ask man, brother. Course, ask man. Court, these are the questions you need to ask man. Ask man if these things in court. Ask the man if the
Mr.
man get
Host.
charged. Ask the man
Mr.
these
Host.
things court. And that me I try to tell you.
Mr.
These are the necessary questions
Mr.
you're supposed to
Host,
ask
what
these
I'm
guys.
presenting to you, Mr. Host, what I'm presenting to you, you can go and read it in the integrity report. One, the integrity report stated that them asked the Prime
Brother,
Minister.
you see law, brother.
Mr.
You're
Host,
innocent
that's
until
because
proven
when
guilty,
you
brother.
talk, you know,
You're
interrupt.
innocent until proven guilty, brother.
And you hear the man that said, you say, Mr. Host, when Plaka talk, and these are the things when we try to tell people, I do not like to treat it like I'm a boy. Right? When the man
Because
talk,
you come contact about the man that
Mr. Host, thank you. I'm asking for your guidance. I'm asking you for your guidance. So let me start back over. The Integrity Commission launched an investigation for all members of Parliament. But for 6 that they don't meet the require, including the Prime Minister. Right? The Integrity Commission asked the Prime Minister, show me where the money come from. The money now match up with your income. Number 1. The Prime Minister, through him lawyer, said the Integrity Commission about implying too much. That's the first thing what happened. The Prime Minister said, me not give no more. Secondly. Thirdly, the Prime Minister opened a charity. And in that charity, it had $34,000. Him take the money and go buy stocks and bond. Right? The Integrity Commission said, where you get that money from? He said, a film.
brother,
When
stop
them
telling
do the
lie,
forensic
man.
audit,
Stop telling lie, man. Stop telling lie, man.
Christ deliver me full soul.
Stop telling lie, man. Stop telling lie, man. Stop telling lie, man.
That was
You're not gonna make a run with no fucking lie
integrity
run here, sir.
report.
Stop telling lie,
Yo,
man.
Paka, man talk, no brother.
Me not gonna make
Man
a run with no
talk.
lie run here, sir, brother. I'm alone a liberator, understand, brother. Yo, me not gonna make a stop me. Yo, me can't butt in, brother. Yo, me not gonna make a stop me. Yo, me can't butt in, brother, cause pussy boy, who you?
You hear that?
Yeah, brother, what you know about
I'm
me?
alone.
Come and be
Mr.
pussy
I'm
boy.
alone a liberator. Yo, I'm to the brother. You think,
Mr.
brother?
Host, that's what him do the day.
Brother.
When argument
Host.
him, that's what him do.
What's you
Mr. Host, that's what they do.
This is we gonna start off with politics, brother. This is not politics.
Come on, guys, man.
Listen,
Come
listen,
on, man.
what's. We're gonna jump off, you know. We're gonna jump off.
That's
Because
what them do.
we're gonna jump
Mr.
off.
Host, Mr. Host,
Paka, you know, it's
We're gonna jump off.
me and you there.
Come on, guys,
Soon,
better than that.
soon.
Better than that.
Brother, you know me from now, me I tell you some man talk.
Guys,
Call me
better than
pussy
that,
boy.
man.
Who you, man?
I am sending you a report,
Hurry yourself, man.
right?
Man talk,
Where the
brother.
I'm
report
into the word myself.
is there that you can go and get it. Instead of send you to the information, I'm doing it.
Put it in a
Right?
big box.
And
Put it in a
that
big
is
box.
typically,
Go in a big box, man. Go in a big box. Go in a big box.
that's typically, Mr. Host, me never get to talk to
Go in a
Paka,
big
talk
box,
to your
man.
video tie box here. Me
Go in a
never
big
get to
box.
talk.
Go in a big box.
Everybody mute the mic when
Hey,
you
no,
talk.
calm, no, hey,
Everybody mute your mic.
calm.
Go in a big box, man.
Everybody mute your mic when you talk.
You think I'm trying to look?
Everybody mute.
Come on,
Everybody
come
mute,
on.
man.
Brother, any boy where disrespect blood clot
Paka.
and to run me.
Paka,
Any boy.
Paka.
Any boy where disrespect blood clot.
Paka.
Any boy.
Where do I? Talk when you want.
Any boy where
Mr. Cole.
Paka.
Any boy
Andrew
where
Hole is
disrespect
going
this
to
around me. I
stop.
want to know.
Mr. Cole.
Paka. Tell Andrew Hole it.
Mr. Cole.
I want to know more.
Everybody, let's calm the man. What kind of thing that's not the man?
Yo, host, you are going. Look at your man.
You see, the problem. You see, the man will make the problem. The man will make the problem.
You have to listen when somebody talk to you.
Listen to who? Listen to who?
Paka.
Listen to me. Why you don't want to listen to me?
Paka.
You don't want to listen to front
You don't have to calm more time, you know.
Yo, man. It's when time you put me in a trance, brother. You can't draw me out.
Paka.
Yeah,
You
but
need to calm
Not
more
yet,
time.
no.
easy and cool down, man. Because if you know better, you can do better too sometime, you know, man.
Yo, yeah, man. You see the reason never, I don't know politics reason, you know. You see me, I say, and I reach to this level. You see me, I say, I'm tell you what, I work me there, but true come just want put in me 2 cents, I put in me 2 cents. So here we go on, man. Here we go on, man. It's any boy we feel like said they want this the prime minister around me, dog.
Yeah, Paka about that, but they have to
Yeah,
get
but
man.
Paka, if you know better, you can do better too, you know, man.
Where this Mark Golden?
Paka.
You know, say
Paka, how me hear this Mark Golden, Paka?
Hey, okay, where this Mark Golden? Hey, Paka for going, man. I saw him all the same way.
Paka.
You jump off.
Richard.
Paka. You know me, Paka. You know me, Paka. Me tell you why you don't come and think of mine yourself, you know. Mine yourself, I'm gonna attack and train people. Me tell you why you know, Paka. You know the time I did, I'm telling you,
Richard.
Right.
Yeah, Richard, I can't Richard, because Paka spin barrel, the school Paka, hey, listen me, Paka, where in there? Come back now your box, man. Your mom is a cool of a little jump off thing, ever jump off the wire. Boy, I don't know what I'm thinking about.
Yeah, and then I take it so far.
My city was me, I say, end the program. It go to my message, Mr. Cole, done.
You can't want this Mark Goal, you don't want nobody this and do only. You can't do that, everybody are feeling too.
But nobody know for this, nobody know that.
No,
exactly.
I school, I say, don't, animal, I run like him bad and better, him bad and bigger than this, brother.
We can talk on that talk and not this, nobody.
Me there, caution everybody there, no nice now, make the man, we're not talking politics. Alvaro come. The worst thing not talking politics, Mr. Make it loud. I said, don't, and the man just run to go and like the people afraid about this thing, brother. I said, Mr. Cole, say Richard, Mr. Cole,
Mr. Cole, Mr. Cole, listen, Mr. Cole.
No, I come back down. I apologize to the. I come back down. I apologize to the host and him program. Not more apologizing for.
Listen, Mr. Cole.
The host. No, Richard. No. I have stand up. Listen to me. I have stand up and say, Sujan, tell Mark Golden 2 days after my mother died, you got truck cream at that pussy. Stand up and say, this young man will come in named Son. Me turn up and impart you page and hear him tell Mark Golden because suck him mama. Zin? Me turn up and hear them. Right?
Caution.
Turn up and hear
them. Caution. As much as me and Caution are a friend. Caution know me more you. Caution never hear me tell you never suck him.
Yeah, but Mr. Cole. If that I'm confident platform, you left in a careful platform.
You ever hear me say man calling for sucking mother yet? And you left on my
platform, you left on the platform, yeah.
Eh? You ever hear me say that yet?
I'm not going to talk about anybody disrespect the Prime Minister.
Brother, you deliberately tell lie, brother. Me I tell you a thing, Mr. Cole. I mean, I tell you, you're elder. I mean, respect elder. Me I want to use them on disrespect elder. But me I tell you something. You can support your party, but you don't have to tell lie. Because they deliberately tell all type of lies. Because me I say something to you, I'm just so tell you the truth. Everybody on the platform know where you say a lie. Because you can't find it nowhere, brother. You just make it up. You don't have to do that. You make your party.
Hold on. Nobody can find the integrity report. Nobody can find the integrity report.
Nothing where you say, no go say you make it up, brother. Even nothing where you say, none at all. Nothing where you say the Integrity Commission don't say it. Those are your words, Mr. Cole. You are lying.
No, the Prime Minister not take 34,000 from the charity.
Mr. Cole, tell me, I can't find it. Make me find it. Tell me.
Go read the integrity report. It is in the integrity report.
No.
It is in the integrity report. Go read it.
Mr. Cole, we are wholly possible can't get on one incident. Must them in a sense, Mr. Cole. Let me tell you something. We take 1 year and demonize these people and the oldest. Turn him now menke. We can't left that now go past anything else, man. Then we are, hey, when we are talking about integrity report again, you know. Unless them take your answer, but you never bring money again. We are wholly person can beat them with Mr. Cole. Holy, we not think about this up. You make
General.
it as a junior to you, Mr. Cole.
As a senior
alone,
Cole,
Mr.
man, so why they make so look fool. You draw out you and you are telling about them mother, them are telling about your mother.
Right now you do that now with a Johnson. What do
That's
So
biased.
our politics coming out that's a region integrity commissioner now.
But no, if politics come in, you
No,
can
but
talk
the
about
thing
it
is, I
respectfully.
know, you know
That's
what?
a clock come with Mr. Cole. Hey, Richard,
disrespect man program and disrespect people and tradition.
Alvira, Mr. Cole, my our friend and you know you have me general. But ain't just them bring out your eyes and lash onto them garbage. If you are focused on something and then come with something you distract and gone on them garbage. I'm going to sit down and take a commission, ignore them and gone on with them.
Just low that.
Low it,
man. Know where they left him, tell him
Yeah.
what feet. Most
I don't follow them up with the argument. And then on the start, they are big man, they might this. A little boy, make this.
He was speaking. No, he was speaking with Richard and said that the PNP have put out a narrative which the Prime Minister thief and him a liar.
Me
I was
ignore him.
pointing the oath
That's the
to
argument
this
I'm talking
oath.
now.
Volano. Then now him a go jump up and say any man will disrespect the Prime Minister and I'm present. You understand me? And that's why I do what I do. You know, long me want to do it.
No,
Mr.
Cole, you can't use the man program.
But Mr. Cole, you can't use the man for your go, but you can't
You can't use the man program.
Sometime
Mr. Cole, no, you can't do that, Mr. Cole. You can't.
Yeah, that Mr. Cole.
Mr. Cole, you can't, you can't, you have to go away in there.
Yeah, let me try to do it on this program. I should have turned on do it.
Probably say, you bring additional drama to this man, and this man never know nothing about. See, I sitting here come from way before film time.
Dujan program different sitting.
Me and you know, see, you couldn't get that Dujan bus.
Hey, Mr. Cole, may I tell you something?
Tell me,
Alvira and everybody take a punkus. Me not take a punkus on that. Because punkus diss me. Me not take him kind of this for Alvira program. Me just did that, me just dealing for a different issue. Now I gotta tell you say you did. You get me I say? Yeah, me dealing, me call him.
We're not back no button for look on, you know. You know, say him the man in India check Mr. Cole personal and directly.
Yeah, but look at the man.
Not about no, a while ago. Him condescend the program in a case.
But me I say, but remember say, who was I tell you say 2 years, you know, can't fight fire with fire.
The man this is a Mark Golin. I mean, just listen, me na argue with me before me come off a platform, me na go match up on platform, me.
Yeah, if you respect your mother, you know, if you respect your mother, you don't disrespect your father.
Me na go on the platform, but this Andrew Olis. Me know about this Mark Golin, because I work with him sitting there, daddy.
No.
Listen, me now, I dem my head.
Boy, they I got jump off, you know. See your boy there. Make him explain to you.
Wait, you jump off for Kasha, you mad?
Man, I chip off, man. Look more, man. Because you know the man. If you come tell the man why he boycott the debate last night. See him there?
Kasha, may I come down? You stay up because see any more down in the island there.
Man. Look more.
Mr. Vega, send me a
No,
request.
may I come down? Me come to stay back long.
Yeah. Richard.
Yeah.
That's what I say. You see, are them my head three places. Go to two of them.
Yes.
And if a man respect their mother, the man then come like them father see away, so they for sure respect. Me wrong or me right?
Mr. Vega, send me a request.
I always listen to you, me always listen to Caution. I want to never disrespect nobody. Me a labor rights still, but me listen to everybody. Straight.
Yeah.
I love all no go more time. Me no one sided, me listen to both.
Yeah, you see the man, leave me man. Mr. Cole and my bridge, Mr. Cole head that, but Mr. Cole, he them attack, ignore them, Mr. Cole, them pass. I think that boy and I say, Mr. Cole, rare, you know, say nothing to them.
Into things,
and anybody can talk to me, Mr. Cole. Certain little boy can't chat to me.
I know Mr. Cole caused the problem a while ago, you know.
No, Mr. Cole bring up the integrity commission. So I
So
just
but when Mr. Cole attack a facts and a lie, Mattel.
Man, watch your prayer. Man. All PNP and Labour at attack. Me say, after he backs up yourself. We need to get funny and we are going to debate and we are going to fact check some people think that we need to do and we stop back and forth. And that's why me take the whole weekend go watch on the debate with Vegas and you, Richard, tell me to watch. I mean, watch it and come with me book and pen last night and on a show. And when me tell you, I don't care if I Labour right or PNP. The fact of the matter is we want to hear both sides of the argument.
Exactly.
One power, one not in power. And everybody get them 4 minutes and a boy can ground me and a boy can beat me and a boy can jam me out. I wonder if you don't see that already.
Yeah, of course.
You don't see say when me give a man 4 minutes, I don't care who he be.
Yeah.
Me take them down and put them right back up. The reason why I kick off Dr. Omar a while ago can say Andrew fi go do this to his mother. That's why I kick him off.
Yes.
So I don't know. So I go on like I know every man fall for this. I know remember say me not in a politics deep, you know, and that make it good. That's why I not have no moderate up here to take down nobody and mute nobody.
Yeah, you yourself. Yes.
And no matter who, so because at the end of the day, I don't want to do that. Because I want to listen to both sides and the man them tell me what time it be. And we are give everybody their fair speed. If a man say something we don't like, you see when the mic come around to you, you defend yourself in your 4 minutes. How the things will come down.
Exactly.
Not every man have a point.
Unnecessary argument, ignore it, man.
Commercial break. Commercial break. You don't sell radiator cap.
Yeah, man.
You don't sell radiator tank cover.
I sell everything, man.
Oh, me can supply you, you know. You want me show you 2,000?
Nah.
Right now, me can't show you 2,000.
Away, man, Mr. Cole. California, man, you send them to California, sell him.
I know Jamaica in there.
California, man, Mr. Cole.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo.
Mr. Cole, you said Jamaica shop look so.
Paka, you never man. Because I got as on the team. Me father, if a serious discussion, you know, with serious facts, you know, if a hearsay, me in a hearsay, if I'm going to do hearsay argument, you know.
A fact, man, I budget me for debate about, because man, this is 2 budgets.
So then you organize it, you cannot tell me. I tell me one.
If you never come last time, we'll go over the last time.
If I know facts are...
You don't need Jamaics, you don't need Jamaics. We will turn in a commentary box and cheer on. Alviro Jamaics.
I don't think they can manage me alone. They can't say it because they can't manage me alone. But anyway.
I that's what I say come to. Because I say too much feelings I carry.
Yeah, man. And the thing where we are going personally, I got disrespect certain thing, brother. You know, because an idea for you say
Alvira PNP.
No, listen up, Paka, listen to your argument. Oh, all right, Paka, me say a thing. Hold on, listen to what me say to you. Listen what me say to you, Paka. Me say to Chuck.
Me give 1 month. Me give 1 month. Me give 1 month.
Paka, hold on, Paka, you have to listen to you want to say one that
Later.
Yeah, man, big up yourself.
Yeah, Paka. This one me say, because you have to everything you give next year now. You might say one if you have a role in the discussion, I'm saying I love to come be a part of the discussion. Come with the evidence. If you know evidence now, I go do it in a year, say, me now I go be a part of that. Because joke thing that. Now go in that to learn. More than you see, and me can go check it, and you can go check on me and say. Because anything me I do live, me I show on say, I that's what I think. So whenever you think you're ready for have a conversation.
PNP, I liberate alone of the research pan, man.
Paka, listen to me, I say no.
I liberate alone of the research pan, man.
Stop quarreling, man.
And it's evident.
Tomorrow, Chuck said anybody debate Finsa.
It's evident, you know. It's evident to show you. I liberate alone of the research pan.
There's no
Me
quarrel,
not
Paka.
me just tell you, me just
The
I'm just
gentleman
telling
say
you
bring your
facts.
source, come and we go to debate. There's no
I'm just me
argument.
not talk to you, brother. Only thing me I say, right? I liberate alone you do research pan. That's all
All
me
right,
trying to
here
say to
question
you.
me ask you, Paka. You have ever checked anyone I file me do and any are questionable which is not true?
A lot of them.
Which one is not true, Paka? And if it's not true, well, I know. Me I gonna say this to you, Paka. If it's not true, and you can't tell anyone is not true, put in name of a charity or somebody you give me 1,000 Canadian dollar. No.
Still on the job.
Well, I
You know
know.
your money, brother.
Any day
You know why your
you
money,
go
brother.
check one of them and it's not true. You go for the video and tag that general in it and tag me back in that video. And me give
Listen,
$1,000.
man. Listen what I'm saying to you, brother. Listen, man. Listen
You
what I'm
want
saying
that,
to you.
Paka?
No,
You can't
no,
defend
listen,
an
no.
argument.
Yo, shh, hush the man.
Alvira
Hush the man.
beat both
Hush the man.
parliament.
I
Because
work
when
with
the
them,
voting-
G. I work
when
with
the-
them,
when-
and by the end of the day, brother, I can't toe to toe with you.
Because when time
Hold on, we just say last thing. Paka,
That
I'm
me I
not
try
saying
to tell you, G.
no. Any day during the week, you go to any one of the video, and any one of them is questionable and not true. Tag it generally night and tag me night.
And guess what?
Not sufficiently true. Me give you $1,000.
Go on him page. Go on him page, host.
You know, I think what you say not true.
Host. One on man. Host. Go on him page and see who in research. And you see who is he.
Paka, the government, why government, Paka? What spend taxpayer money?
It doesn't matter how look Jamaica.
What spend tax? But
how look Jamaica. Andrew, I the husband now. Who look Jamaica.
What look at the man, Paka?
I want Jamaica. I want Jamaica.
Taxpayer money.
Better, we are fact check. We are fact check. You know. If you don't want Jamaica, if you don't want Jamaica, we are gonna make sure say boy watch ya. You know credible, and you can able to take care and run Jamaica better than Andrew.
Tell him where you go fact check Mark Golimpan. Tell him. Tell the Paka.
You know, hold on. You know, say Paka, you're a hypocrite, Paka. Because when Andrew was
man, you hypocrite, man. No, man, you hypocrite, man. You tell him, man, where you go fact check Mark Golimpan.
You Richard, listen. When Andrew was running for opposition in 2016, Andrew was nobody by name, and yes, they still voted to me.
No, man, we're not busy with that. We are work with Paka New Era. Tell him, man, we've got fact check Mark Golimpan. I'm gonna like that though.
All right, me I'll give Paka a chance. Paka, tell me which day me and you I'll come over here and go head to head.
What we all. Well, because see, I work with the G. I can't do this certain things, you know. You see me I say? I'm not people present.
So if
what I'm
you
trying to
work,
say, bro,
where you platform, then if you're not conversation.
I want to do some man.
Talk, Paka.
I dodge my dodge.
I
dodge my dodge. If you are working,
He said their work and from that line they work too. Talk, Paka. Paka, talk.
Alvira. These are the questions. These are the questions.
These are
the questions.
Mute Mr. Cole. Yeah.
These are the questions what Jamaican like me been asking for and wanted answers. You understand me? First and foremost, right? Is Mark Boland give up his citizenship to be a Jamaican? Right? If you can present that fact check to me, right? Me can say, right? Mark Boland is a Jamaican, right?
So look at now. Mark Golding one with the Paka, man. You know me reason Paka. Mark Golding not being a Jamaican. And is a British citizen. That preclude him from run as a run for Prime Minister in a constitution.
Yes, Yes, because Jamaica can there's no Jamaica can pick up themselves and go run to England.
Of course.
Well on, Root, yes. Well on, not telling me. Paka, well on, Paka, top of this. Me right now, me and my cousin right now is a police. My cousin right now, a police of Canada. And he's not a citizen of Canada.
That about Canada, brother.
Canada
is a different era.
Commonwealth, Papa, and stop talking.
No,
he's Indian, and he was the leader of the UK. So yeah,
Prime Minister Richard Sunak
This is what I'm saying was. This is what I'm saying was, right? Every Commonwealth have them own philosophy and them own principle.
But Jamaica
will they are part of. Brother. Even though they are part of the Commonwealth, everybody structured differently.
But Jamaica said, but Paka, listen to Jamaica one. Jamaica said if you live at Jamaica, live on in a character in a Commonwealth, and you live if you're here, you're entitled to run to member of parliament up and be prime minister. That's another constitution.
You know, Andrew Corona in the Commonwealth country, you know, right?
No, not anyone, man. Anyone we have our constitution. Our constitution states that for you live in a Commonwealth, you live if you're here, you can run as a member of parliament.
No, you Richard, listen again, Richard. He's talking about because Richard, listen, Richard. What I'm saying to you, I'm saying to justify what Packer said. He said because Mark Golan about British citizens he can run off over England, and I'm saying to him that even Andrew can run off over there if something happened. I'm not talking about he can be over there. Andrew can run any country hide if you want.
So Packer, then that one I think will make you look. You say you are the Mark Golan citizen. Where you are now?
Yo. This is my understand me situation.
Yeah.
Me not on the work, brother. Me in and out, brother. You see me I say?
Me understand, but
by the end of the day, brother, it's a certain debate and certain topic, brother. Me cannot deal with because I finish work me inside the people's house.
Okay. Talk about white man and white people in place. I am there for white
brother. No, brother. You see, you.
Yeah.
Do you hear me say you? Do you hear me say the man color? Do you hear me talk about the man color, skin color?
No, you know you're not talking about color, you're talking about bird.
So why this man come
Paka, you didn't talk about it just now, but you have said it in the past, Paka. You didn't say it on this platform, but you've said it.
Brother. Listen, my man, brother. Listen, man. Yes, now today are two different days, brother.
Okay. You're not in color today. I'm birthplace.
Brother, listen, man. Man, listen, deal with it now. That's all life go.
All right, in Barna, Jamaica.
That's all life go, brother.
Go Campion College.
What we're saying, this is what I'm listen. You. This is my problem, right? Right? This is my problem. Yeah. I may be younger than Mark, right? But me can know so me go to Miss Ali Primary. And we go to Ali Secondary and then me left and me go other school, right? Me can know me principal, me can know me teacher, me can know certain people.
But me don't know.
You. Me can name a certain classmate. You understand me? Me can go to depths in terms of what me want someone to know so boy watch out. Me exactly remember me born in Jamaica and me go to school at Jamaica. You understand me? If Jamaican people, right? Wanted to know, right, if this man really a true Jamaican and this man loyal to Jamaica, right, and we have certain question, why you don't bring out this question to people and make them answer once and for all?
Who in the obligated to answer the question of JLP?
You see, that's the thing.
In the obligated.
That's the
question.
No.
Your third Andrew was one of them.
So by the end of the day, Mark Golan. By the end of the day, Mark Golan, me not obligated to vote for Mark Golan by the end of the election.
Yeah.
Me not obligated to
When you
fulfill.
coming by the shop,
Me not go obligated to.
hey, can you bring
by the end of the day.
a 5 gallon? 5 gallon to me.
Because you're not vote based on policies, you vote based on license.
To the oath.
All right.
To the oath.
Wait, I have the press. Where you say? Sorry, I have the press. Where you say? Hot Spice.
To the
Yeah.
oath. Well, I know you
Yeah,
will.
Something.
Let me put everybody at.
Hot Spice, that's something. Hot Spice, that's something.
Yeah, Mr. Richards.
Yeah.
I am neutral.
Yeah.
But what I'm saying is, you're saying that about Mr. Mark Golding. But
Yeah.
you guys remember that Mr. Siaga was not a Jamaican.
He was that born.
And everybody loved him. You forget that? Just as Mark Golding is not a Jamaican.
Yeah, but
Mark Golding is a Jamaican.
And stuff.
In born in Jamaica, but his father Englishman.
He got the British citizenship by descent.
His father the more for Jamaica than when enough away here and ever do for Jamaica.
Exactly.
So why the country is about him not being a Jamaican then? Because almost everywhere I go, them talk about it.
Well, most of them said that he's a white man and they didn't even know that his mother is a born Jamaican black woman.
She kind of bad Jamaican St. Elizabeth. Eye color woman. Just like leave it.
We're not talking about skin color. When we say black, we're talking about the blood.
Yeah. As long as you have 1% of blood that you're black. As long as you have 1% black that you're black.
To the oath.
We can't get a talk now.
May I come there to the oath. As the topic of that, they would like to say and prove that Mark Golding give up in citizenship. As a Jamaican, I would like to see and prove that the Prime Minister integrity report can also put up answered and another 7 members of
we need Mark Golding birth service ticket. We need Mark Golding birth paper. We need him birth paper. We need birth service ticket. We need him birth paper. We need birth service ticket. We need him birth paper. We need him birth service ticket. We Jamaican need that.
Don't ask Packer the question.
I think we deserve.
We Jamaican deserve that. We need that. Ignore him, man.
We need that. We want to see birth paper.
You're in charge. No, what the argument is so like.
All right. So yes,
listen, what me I say is that you see a TRN and your birth paper is a personal identification. You don't need to show nobody that. Because you Packer can't get me show you my birth paper.
Exactly.
Not my TRN. You understand? Certain information is for you. Because your birth paper actually created TRN and it have a lot of information.
Listen, Mama, when Joe Biden was going for the ICE, when Joe Biden was going for the ICE office, when Joe Biden was going for the ICE, hold on, man.
Listen what me have to say to you. Well, I know with this color thing and this birth
issue.
No,
color thing, me not put no color in it.
Listen, Packer, you see, if Mark Golding never born in Jamaica, you not hear your political leaders them talk about it. How much of them you ever hear attack say this man don't born in Jamaica?
He be talking about it, but the leader not talking about it.
Listen, name one person will come out with JLP, MP, will come out publicly and say Mark Golding not born in Jamaica.
Who? All of
right.
them say citizenship.
None of them say so Packer. All of them talk about dual citizenship. None of them never come in.
Hear my 2 cents to the story now.
All right, come in, Richard.
You remember when I say I'm a dual citizen?
Yes.
And the media come down upon him and say nothing is secret, right?
Yes.
Then you yourself would believe say if Mark Golding never born a Jamaican.
Mark Golding himself said he must go to Mark Golding himself said he must go to ancestors.
Stop talk foolishness.
He think about doing that.
What you talking? What you talking? No,
man, say man in Jesus Christ.
Man, so by the end of the day, by the end of the day, if the man renounces it, brother, by the end of the day, if the man renounces it to say yes, he gave up his citizenship to be a full Jamaican brother.
What does that have to do with the election?
That's how we
because Mark Golding, what are the caution? Because Mark Golding never go to NNN and display say sit here and denounce it. You never see this denounce it you never see show it for Andre Stevens program.
In a dark, in a pitch black, in a darkness.
You want to go
in a darkness. A man want to be Jamaica Prime Minister.
You know what
a man want to be Jamaica Prime Minister.
Paka, you see like how you in a Mark Golding birth paper, me have an interest in an anti-honest DNA test result.
So no so you go, you're Jamaican citizen, no. Talk for what you want.
Anti-honest when anti-honest, alright, the anti-honest do the DNA result,
all I'm saying, caution. Talk for what you want, brother.
Anti-honest, when I ask it, look how long we ask it. When the DNA result, what do you
want? Me, I talk for what you want because by the end of the day, this man I will control Jamaica for 5 years or 4 years, brother. More and more what he dealing with.
At 30 years, man, gonna get.
We are talking about control in Jamaica. We want to know where integrity is. Wait, we want to know, so you're not easy. So we need these factors to be certified.
Long time.
I could talk one. Paka, me at I know Mr. Cole know me. Me that one know with the Prime Minister the declaration 4 years. Me, you're
Jamaican brother, you need answers, don't it?
So when Mr. Cole asks like yeah, course Mr. Cole.
No, listen me Cole. Listen me I say. Listen me I say, bro G.
Right? No. When Nigel.
Listen me hold on, man.
Nigel Clark is a citizen of Jamaica now.
Hold on, man. Listen me,
when Nigel Clark.
No, answer me there.
So he was never part of the government.
The bigger question is not just to get PSCMA and a government CMA. It's not to get PSCMA.
Nobody not care with Paka there. Nobody never votes with Paka.
Paka, you're making a fool of yourself.
Yes, Paka.
Yes, I know. I'm making a fool of myself, but by the end of the day, everybody only have one vote. I'm making a fool of myself. Right?
Yeah, because you vote Labour, so you want to know what Mark voting for. So, Paka, why you want
I need answers.
Paka, why you want answers?
I need answers.
You vote Labour, right? Paka, you vote.
I need answers.
All right, Paka, you vote PNP. Me a canvas, you vote PNP.
If what?
You vote PNP the election, yeah.
If what?
Me say if you are going to vote PNP the election,
if all of my answers them, if all of my answers them. What I believe, right? What Mark Golding should be, right, answering before this general election, if he answered all of these questions, right, and every one of them tick it, yes.
You're quick.
Feelings. This is not about feelings,
it is about feelings. It is about feelings. Because guess what? Whether in born or in born in Jamaica, it don't affect you in no way, shape or form. So it's definitely about feelings.
Hold on. If you have a daughter, brother, right? You have a daughter, brother. You don't want to know who will come around a daughter. You don't know who your daughter is.
That analogy doesn't make no sense. Exactly doesn't make no sense. Because me know which part the man born to know the man. Me don't know the man born to know him.
May I please?
May
I please?
Ever see Andrew Ownless birth certificate?
We don't know if Andrew's born in Jamaica, but the cash just
Paka, ever see Andrew Ownless birth certificate?
We see more than that, brother.
Which part?
We see more than that.
Man, Paka, move from here, sir, man.
We see more than that, brother. We see more than that. We see more than what? 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 We see more than what Mark Golden been showing us. We see more than what Mark Golden been showing us. Put it like that. All about that. We see more than what Mark Golden been showing us.
We have a concern, you know.
Andrew Ownless can provide in financial for the integrity.
Jamaica America and in a white people out. You Richard,
yeah.
They have a concern. I will like to see the Prime Minister's statutory declaration before the election, and then there's 6 member of Parliament. It's more important than each paper and citizenship. We want to know if the Prime Minister thief and the other 7 not. We no matter which side the 7 depend. That we know say Prime Minister name out there say was under investigation for illicit enrichment. I don't like to see the Prime Minister in the dark.
Prime Minister thief, brother.
I would like to see the Prime Minister come out in the darkness.
Women thief, brother. Women thief.
I will like.
Women thief. Women thief.
Paka, if.
Will like.
But we don't know if in thief or in not thief.
I
That's the
will
problem.
like.
You solo man.
I will like to see.
People, brother. Stop accusing.
I will like.
Stop accusing.
Like you are assumed, say in
what I said.
you can assume, say thief something.
Wait, Mr. Cole.
I listen for speech.
Mr. Cole.
And report.
Mr. Cole, wait a man.
I will like to see if the Prime Minister. That question any man put in and nobody not tell.
But listen, we didn't want to go to Paka can't name a promise. The Paka say, he now vote for Andrew Wallace. But he want vote Mark Wallace, but he want to least. That means Andrew was the no reason vote for him.
What Paka need to understand, you see?
Does you tell me why like a Paka?
Paka, what you need to
Mark Wallace answering your question, you vote for him.
You. Hear me, sir.
Yeah, where sir?
Right? Let me say to you again, brother. Right? Election no call yet.
You say if you say Mark you say Mark you vote for him, but that's what you say no. You say no. Yeah.
Election no call yet. Right? Before the day of election, because I'm telling you, right? Andrew Wallace been showing more things of being a native Jamaican than Mark Golden. Right? So all I'm saying to you, right? With the accused what people been saying, so Mark Golden, right, is a British. We need to see all of that clear up.
Rubbish.
All right, me ask one question.
Don't say things, specify what things Andrew shows to make you know say Jamaica.
Hear the question there. You married to American right now. So you become a citizen in America.
Huh?
After if you married to America, after 5 years, you can become a citizen, don't
you? Can.
All right, look at the man.
This is what to say, you can.
Wait a man. Mark Golden
married to a Jamaican.
Wait a man, listen to me, man. Mark Golden married to a Jamaican. Is it Mark Golden a Jamaican by citizenship?
I don't know. These are the questions what I've been. These are the questions what I've been saying, brother. I don't know.
By naturalization.
Yeah, by naturalization. This is what hey, wait, we don't do so we never understand what I talk to Paka.
I don't know, Drew.
So you don't know if Mark Golden married to a Jamaican?
What I'm saying to you, right? You can marry to you can what are you be smart. You can marry to a foreign national, right? But for you to be a citizen, you have to renounce.
Nothing. You understand? Amigo,
come on, you man. You have to take the oath, brother. You have to take. You have to take the oath. If you're married to a Jamaican, you understand me? Automatically, you want to say you're a citizen.
It's not automatic.
So what I'm saying to you, what I'm trying to say to you, say this person have to go right and renounce his citizenship to be a Jamaican.
No. What can I renounce?
You have to.
No. Hey,
when did No. Man, Jesus Christ, man. Come on, oh God, man. And you see another way you can be.
Waste of time, Paka. Waste of time. This guy, what you say?
Exactly.
Going to be the Prime Minister, nothing can stop. You're one vote can't stop that.
I see. Me see come. Well, I want what you have to.
Nobody can take it away.
I want what to you. That's the whole point about it, you know. You have one, I may have one.
Nothing. Understand? Amigo active now because the work for me put in and enough me. Put in the work just and the place where God give me. Go read enough Bible but talk.
No. Jamaican Constitution did not say you have to be a Jamaican to be a Prime Minister. Once you're part of the Commonwealth and there over here can be a Prime Minister.
You've been bamboozled, you've been tricked, and you've been bamboozled. And just can't.
No. Because the Constitution. Was it Bustamante and Norman under the Constitution?
We're just doing things because of our PNP, brother.
No. You have been tricked. Because you're saying some things more than I want to ask you to contradict yourself after again. You
don't even understand some of the things I must say. Yeah, I use words I don't understand the meaning of it.
I'm fully aware of become citizenship.
You don't fully aware of what you're saying.
Bro,
because you evil. A big up
Hush. Do you know Bahamas is a Commonwealth also, right?
Yes.
But watch this. A child can born in the Bahamas, right? By a Bahamian, by a native Bahamian, and also as a foreign national, right? His mother may be a Bahamian, or his father may be a Bahamian, a foreigner. But by the end of the day, that child was born in the Bahamas. When he reaches 18, he has to decide if he wants to be a Bahamian citizen or the origin where parents come from. He has to renounce that.
Nobody can take it.
Wait. All right. So, Paka,
what you saying?
I'm telling you.
If that is a big case, then why you don't tell your people by yourself, but you know, their citizenship at Canada, America, and England, and etc. But in a parliament right now, over your side.
Nobody can.
Which brother,
they talk about this. Somebody
Who will for the ICE office? Who will run for the ICE office? Who will for the ICE office?
Any person can be in a parliament, you can be a prime minister.
Elected representative, you can be the prime minister. Because guess what? We don't
One
vote for a prime minister.
of the parliament.
We do not vote for a prime minister.
We're so confused.
Brother,
We're
we lost
talking
now,
Listen,
brother,
we
we
don't
lost
argue.
now,
Paka. All right, Paka, don't argue. Mark Golden now
We don't
knows
last
this.
now the win, me G.
Paka, you not vote Mark Golden. Nobody knows Mark
Why not?
Golden.
Why not?
You are labor right now. Guess what, man?
Why not?
Jamaica.
I'm a Jamaican brother. I'm a Jamaican citizen.
You saw the Mark Golden Jamaican in Africa. You want my birth certificate? You want my birth certificate? You want my birth certificate?
Mark Golden no talk like Jamaican brother.
So?
He might not talk. And he might say grow up here.
You talk like a Jamaican?
So
Nobody can take it. Bless you, but Father God bless me when you come from.
You talk like a Jamaican?
Hey, if me forget into the slang, as how Jamaica should, as how native Jamaican talk, brother, I'm going to understand, I'm going to last.
Reading the Bible, but talk to God.
Because funny, you would have a proper language and a same one against making a patois our official language for local communication. You're against that. But you have big up in office and man going to understand patois.
You know, say every person talk different English. You know, right?
Yes.
Every person is English, man.
Hey,
yes.
Right now, we're not at Jamaica. You want to tell me
that? We talk the same. We have different accents. Every parish have a different accent.
We have different accents, but
yes.
Just like in the US, every state has different.
I understand where I come from.
The proper Chinese accents, sir. Tell me, I tell you, if you never know.
Who me?
You know, man. Accent. General, listen to me, I tell you, sir. Mark Golden is a Jamaican. Mark Golden run as a win as a private Jamaican.
Run and win. I think I race.
Hey,
this thing.
Hey, you not, hey, you see like
You think
America now?
Mark Golden run out of steam, brother. Mark Golden run out of steam, brother.
If I'm not race,
Mark Golden run out of steam. Right now,
if it's not a race, then what it is?
Right now, Mark Golden, you know, Paka. What Mark Golden's biggest problem right now is,
right now,
what Mark Golden's biggest, you know what, you know the reason why Mark Golden not kick off is political campaign yet, because guess what, right? You see, the time come where what he run on local election that played out, right? So he tried to find something to stimulate the people to run off his campaign now, brother. Mark Golden can't find nothing. Mark Golden don't have nothing. Mark Golden don't have nothing right now to start his campaign.
You're literally
nothing at all Mark Golden have. Mark Golden can't spark.
I talk about Andrew Wallace right now, as we speak. Because Mark Golden did a campaign. So Andrew Wallace can't campaign.
Andrew Wallace is the only prime minister going to run on his achievement for the past independent.
Yes, so
for the past independent.
Name some of my achievements, please. Name some of my achievements. Name some of my achievements.
All right.
Over phone that I'm at the night.
Trying to get your bike? Huh? Oh. You gonna ride? You gonna ride out?
Hot spice.
Yo, you.
Hot spice.
You. Make me a circle back, brother, because
as we start about Andrew Wallace sitting man, achievement man.
No, man. Understand my situation, brother.
All right, cool. Go on and come back. I wait for you because what did the achievement?
Brother, I come from nothing.
Oh, situation. One of them run from to listen Andrew achievements because they can't name none.
Hot spice, mute that spice. Because we not disturb with hot spice, man.
Reading the Bible, but talk to God. Bro, go sit down now in the house and read with God during my listen.
Hot spice, you can't mute your mic, please.
Nobody can take it.
Hot spice.
Bless me. When I come from nothing. Brother, I come from nothing.
Mute that spice. Because she disturb the conversation.
Nothing. You understand?
Yeah. Yeah, man, them now still find them. I just thought one was achieving that guy. No, not still funny.
It's so sad. As a type of achievement, one time they used to run to road, but we've been a beat on the road.
Hold on, you, Richard. You want some lyrics that rejoice, but you know, where Whooper is beside after you pass when you go for going to Barbican way up to near the Sunny Parkway road there. You know along the road they mash up. You know
It fixed now.
It fixed now. And I see rejoice. It take them 4 years to fix a road there.
I was find this like art. Unknown guess who. Me no want to know guess who. Cause I requested name some PNP achievement. The fact say you're there right just not type the garbage. I want achievement.
Yo, so remember someone jump up for about road, but I'll just fix road. 4 years out of 9 years, the man take fix a road there.
I'm gonna answer you again. Your name again. The facts you're there in my box. You put on phone, I type the garbage, I ask. That's a PNP achievement.
You know,
1040.
If anybody who knows Sunny Park there, the road before Sunny Park.
Oh, you laugh. You laugh. You know that's stupid question that you ask. You have a phone there and you can just type. Yeah, about name some PNP achievement. Or a screenshot. How you do? Copy and paste. Ask one next question, man. Don't go say you have things.
Every PNP we come to poll them have achievement. Even for one achievement, them have achievement. At least one. Sorry, no, not one. At least more than three. More than three.
You know what I want to do, you know? I can just wait.
If Dina bleach from well last night.
Dina don't realize saying that box, you know.
See, Dina didn't
need that.
Come left Dina upon live after 2, you know.
Yeah.
So you must wake up, you know.
What time we left this morning? About the 4, what time we left? About the 4 left.
Me job a sleep after 2, you know.
Are they live this morning? Yeah,
no, me never rush that and come over here, sir. I'm just asleep.
No, man, I see we up on front line last time, man. Then when they go over the back to man, but the bad don't come.
No, man, I said me do a rush that first, then come over here, so come and see like a war about start. Come and take in the war.
What kind of war?
PNP and come and see Labour and PNP in the back. So I say, all right, so discussion I go here now.
Hey, Mr. Packer, I'm a cold, can't say right way. I'm not Mr. Cold, sir. So just ignore. Hey, listen to me. See certain people. Like I travel them. When traveling can't ask the question. Me not chatted, me say me not look boy to have no question.
No man, it's team pack. It's a team pack and so cool. So cool, give me some things that you know so you can't really answer.
The 2 of them always there. The 2 of them in that and the 2 of them like the one. They always start getting mad.
No man, you say cool. I want to cool upon you know. You want to know how to put the money, you know.
Yeah, but if Cash and ask him, he nah feel it. Me don't know him as a call. I mean, I tell him, man. If me ask me same thing, Cash, now you ask me same thing. It's different from when time call asks him.
No, because
the mama's a call. If I tell him why about him, why that more.
Listen, remember now. It's a when call asks. Paka go with some excuse.
I tell you no man. Paka na credit. Paka, hey, as Mr. Cole start talk. People say a long time now. I think I know a boy here in 2 months award one anymore. Let's I tell you. The man I like them why that daddy. But we care about why as we start with a discussion with Labour and we start talking about budget, then they want to have a budget. And
but Richard, but may I be honest, Richard, may I be honest with you. It's a Packer was an excuse. Because I mean, in fact, you come in a box and I discredit somebody, you must back it up. Why am I talking about it there at work? Then don't say nothing about the information unless you can back it up.
Vontes.
Yes, he ready.
Love.
He ready to change him out and say he never see back. And him all of them.
I realize I'm up so I need to change the mode. When I bring something different towards the conversation based on the same thing.
If you and to be honest,
Richard, I don't think Mark will do assistant something because I think that work is only,
listen, so I'm gonna go past because we don't with that sit there, we go up on that system, man.
No, so correct. Something I want to know most of us if I'm correct.
This is okay, man.
If I'm correct.
Father, if fucks him father was
Richard, listen, Richard.
That can't change.
Listen, Richard.
What
listen to the information I get state that once you are part from the Commonwealth countries, you don't classify as dual citizen.
No, you're not. You don't.
Yeah, boy, everybody know that once that's in the constitution.
That's right. There's some people that get that the other world comes. Somebody has to say a constitution, so you have to ban Jamaica.
Well, them constitution that them know them. Tell which section of the constitution.
You don't know why they would have to say it.
That means them to tell you which section of the constitution.
Question, I went to gear. I don't think I see a great name.
You're
I don't think I see man. Yeah, I don't think I see man.
Long time I see him, but politics time none of money had to work the government.
Oh. Like I see Medina, cause my Medina morning, no I'm Medina that night.
If me in the Jamaica no see me on this TikTok, you know. I work TikTok, we can go with that on we have time man TikTok.
Well, me need some orange suit, you know. Need to link somebody so. Come on, don't my represent.
Yeah, we not take him off. We tell you, so we are talking about Andrew Wallace's achievement and he's saying soon come back.
Man, not talk about no achievement, brother. You see the man there, you see what the man there try to talk about.
Yeah.
You know nothing about achievement, brother. Pack a 6 stomach, brother.
Yeah, well, pack a
Pack and all of them, brethren. So last night they met the man go and listen out. 8 hours, what a debate. 8 hours, 5.5 from Andrew Wallace and 2.5 from Mark Bush. And then look up, boy, able have the heart, the decency if you apologize to the man. When you want to come tell the man about this and that and and you come over here this morning and I talk about. When you still over here, and last night him set the date and tell the man to go listen to this. Hey, me I tell you, say, yo, people not to buy them boy, tape on them something and them boy and a genuine and them boy and a real, you know. Make man listen. But guess what now? True because he realize that him come over here so now, him not have no leverage. Him not want to go nowhere him not no leverage because I try use him artist leverage and him this and him that and horse. Every minute in ball, horse. I reclaim back my time, more about my time. And them look at thing there. You more than the leverage. I say, nah, come over here so with this and man. You now come over here so we can realize.